There are people who get claustrophobic just sitting in a car for too long. Then there are others like me who actively seek out escape rooms to be locked inside for hours. Means naturally I love this genre of storytelling. But does this movie, another remake of another South Indian film, justify its existence in today's day and age? Hey all, my name is Sucharita. This is my channel where all my reviews now live. Before we proceed, आप जरा subscribe यहाँ पे कर ले. We're getting close to 75 or are we? Well, click that red button and find out. And मन करे तो bell icon भी आएगा उसके बाद उसको भी click कर दीजिए. Today we're talking about Muthukutti Xavier's Millie, a Hindi language remake of his own national award-winning debut feature, Helen. Janhvi Kapoor is Millie, a girl next door as next doorsy as one can be. She's so warm and affable. Seema Pava appears in only one scene in this whole film, just so we know that no one else can administer injections like the nurse school graduate Millie can. She takes IELTS lessons by day, preparing to go to Canada to work as a nurse, but right now works at a fast food joint in the evenings for supplemental income. Her single father waits for her to come home each night, smoking cigarettes when she's not looking, until the night she doesn't return.
यहाँ एक मिनट काटना मुश्किल हो रहा है ये सोच के कि हमारी बेटी किस हाल में होगी कहाँ होगी.
You know why I like the escape room genre is because I like to see clever characters solving tricks, finding unlikely keys to invisible locks, as some kind of countdown makes it difficult to escape with each passing minute. Maybe your arm is losing circulation, maybe you're running out of water to drink, or maybe a T-Rex is on the prowl. A non-uniform clock is just ticking, ticking, ticking. Your defenses are crumbling away one by one. The other reason is the opportunities these stories provide to explore repentance, a life squander. You know, there are much more severe and condensed depiction of everyone's daily existential thoughts about what you've done that have led you to this point and how different life could have turned out if you just changed that one thing that one time. So Muthukutti Xavier is exploring all of this, but also wants to make Millie's predicament 3 times as hard. Not only is she stuck in a soundproof freezer overnight, the one weapon a person has in a situation such as this, their ability to think, is also not functioning at full capacity for her, as each hour the temperature of this room drops. And to add to it, she's heartbroken after a fight she's had with her father, and her boyfriend is leaving town that night, so she's already emotionally distraught. It's almost as if in a seemingly easygoing life, everything that could go wrong for her dramatically does within 24 hours. In the hands of a lesser crew, this could have been cheesy, shabby and rushed, but Muthukutti Xavier with his writers Alfredo Kurian Joseph, Noble Babu Thomas and Hindi screenplay writer Ritesh Shah create a build-up very skillfully towards the second half of this film that when it is time to begin stacking the series of unfortunate events, you've settled within this meticulously and carefully built world comfortably enough to buy into that night of misery. Multiple shots of multiple doors closing one after the other, repeated at least twice, are borderline simplistic, but because the movie's conflict is simple, its journey is internal, its staging area is small, the simple tiny things, quite literally a rat at one point, are enough. It helps that Janhvi Kapoor, the actor, is on her own war path to prove that she deserves the space she occupies in this film industry as one of its most visible, most privileged actors of a new generation of performers. Her turn as Millie substantiates the implied assertion that she deserves one titular role after another. It is a physically demanding part. Her ankle is twisted, her extremities are suffering frostbite, excellent makeup department. At one point, her skin gets stuck to the frozen floor, and each time the actor, short of actually ripping off her flesh and breaking her actual foot, rises to adversity with the expertise and sobriety of an actor beyond her years.
Welcome to Doom's Kitchen. Can I take your order, please?
Millie, the movie, also worked for me because it's not just the story of one girl in one freezer, but it is also the writing team's exploration of culpability in enforcing societal classifications. In one scene, Millie's boyfriend comes to her shop to win her over after an argument. She's supposed to treat him as a customer, calling him sir because her boss is watching. Like the White Lotus, when you see how the sausage gets made, the lives of the people who are there to serve you, you may either finally understand your liability in this violent process backstage or swear off sausages forever. Muthukutti Xavier's movie, till the very last scene with the Chaukidar, doesn't shy away from reminding its viewers and probably itself that Millie's life outside this freezer too is not all doors open all the time, and it also takes an anti-Bagban approach to parenting, which I'm here for. Sunny Kaushal, as the boyfriend Sameer, is also just as eager of a performer. He goes toe to toe with the incredible Manoj Pava, with whom he shares most screen time. The two share an unexpected funny moment in the middle of a very, very tense and intense sequence, a perfect example of writing with intention. The cop characters, though, another male-skewed societal construct the movie is questioning and commenting upon. They're quite literally good cop and bad cop. They're either pure evil or army man, strict and just. Sanjay Suri looks great, but just kind of appears in a frame in a scene as though he was just standing just outside waiting for his cue to enter and start solving shit. It's a weirdly lazy crutch for a movie better than it. There's also a star cameo. I'm not going to spoil it here, but it was wholly unnecessary, immediately taking me out of the experience. I wonder why the makers felt at this point that they needed to provide their audience with an added fourth wall breaking, wink wink thrill. Are they unaware of the distraction it could and eventually does become?
पीठ में मुक्का मारेंगे झूठ बोला तो.
Millie is arguably Janhvi Kapoor's best work in a short but impressive career. She is ahead of her equally well-connected contemporaries, and it's heartening to see her choose the movies that she does and not fall into the trappings of a big-budget, big-mounted Liger-type production. Like her last release, Good Luck Jerry, which I did not completely love. Once again, here she does nearly all the heavy lifting and thankfully manages to shoulder it right till the end. Movie आप देख कर आए, theaters में लगी है.
पापा सिगरेट पी रहे आप अंदर.
नहीं तो
मिटा दिया सबूत.
सबूत कौन सा सबूत?
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, Millie is one animated ant is there in the opening and the closing sequences. जिसकी significance या पीछे का subtext मुझे समझ में आया नहीं. Why is it an ant? And is it anything more than foreshadowing? Please बताइए comments में if you understood it better than I did. And before you leave, subscribe to the channel. This week we're also talking about Double XL, Phone Booth, The White Lotus Season 2, Enola Holmes. It's a lot. My name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.